Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna show you some examples which you can rebuild with SAP Build Apps. The first one is the Customer Feedback app. In this app you can develop an app that enables businesses to easily capture customer feedback. Users can create and customize feedback forms. The app can provide automated evaluation and dashboards to give businesses insights into customer satisfaction. Integrations with CRM systems can be used to link feedback directly with customer profiles. In an event planning app, you can create a low-code app that helps event planners organize events. Users can enter event details, assign tasks, track budgets, and manage guest lists. The app can also offer features for communication with participants and calendar integration for smooth planning. You can develop an app for managing inventory in businesses. Users can capture inventory information, track orders, receive alerts for low stocks. Low-code integrations with ERP systems enable seamless data exchange between the app and other business applications. You can build an app for training and continuing education programs in companies. The app enables the creation of training content, managing participants, and monitoring progress. Utilize low-code features for creating quizzes, certificates, and automated notifications to enhance training effectiveness. You can develop a low-code app that allows users to create, share, and organize recipes. Users can upload recipes details, ingredients, cooking instructions, and photos. The app can offer features for ratings, comments, and sharing recipes on social networks. Low-code integrations can also be used to link recipes with shopping lists and automated reminders. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.